What's up guys, and we finally have the official Galaxy S21 unpacked trailer that confirms quite a lot of leaks. Like, I'm actually surprised how many things that they have revealed within this trailer. We're gonna break them down bit by bit. Also, Samsung has been doing some massive innovation at CES 2021. We've got crazy robots that just looks like they are brought from a Black Mirror episode. Other than Samsung's crazy stuff, we have LG stepping in, showing off their rollable sliding screen smartphone. Now before we get in the juicy details, the countdown is on. Exynos is back. For the first time, Samsung is holding a separate Exynos event for their brand new groundbreaking Exynos 2100 processor. Super duper excited for this, just a couple of hours of wait. Let's just get right into the official trailer. So starting off, Samsung completely showed off the actual design of what appears to be the Galaxy S21 Ultra. So pretty much the bleeding camera bump on the side, and of course the volume rocker as well as the power button on that same position. And then it confirms the most headlining feature of the S21 series, specifically with the S21 Ultra, and that is the most powerful periscope camera system on a smartphone. So pretty much this graphic confirms the folded optics and all the enhanced engineering that Samsung has to do to put all these lenses inside this beast of a smartphone. And then of course a quick teaser of all the power that is inside the Exynos 2100 chip. Then Samsung highlights the video power. Very likely we're getting a resolution bump when it comes to the ultra steady video, one of the exciting features of the camera indeed. And then Samsung is finally bringing airdrop kind of feature to their devices. So all Samsung devices that have your Samsung account logged in, like your laptop or your other Samsung phone, you can pretty much copy things on one phone and paste that on another device. And same thing with other file transfer. It's just going to be a very seamless experience. And then of course, one of the most exciting features, this is incredible display of the power. You can actually record videos through all lenses simultaneously. As you can see, front, back, ultra wide angle lens and zoom camera being utilized in this special director view mode. And then Samsung highlights the ultra crispiness that you're gonna get with the 108 megapixel sensor, zooming in all those details. And then we have the massive improvement coming to the night mode, turning this scene to an absolute bright situation. Welcome to the everyday epic indeed. This pretty much confirms literally everything regarding the Galaxy S21 lineup. Just stay tuned guys, I'm planning some epic content for you guys. CES 2021 is happening and Samsung is absolutely killing it when it comes to the innovation. The future is full of AI and robots, which is why Samsung is taking this absolutely serious. We have Samsung Bot Care. This is a current research product right now, but it actually looks pretty good. So as the name suggests, it's going to be a companion to your work, to your business. Samsung shows off its AI ability where it can literally tell if you're feeling tired, and it just pulls off a tablet screen for you to just watch a video or a conference call comfortably. In addition to Samsung Bot Care, we have another robot that my mom will absolutely love. This is Samsung Bot Handy. Apparently this is specifically designed to work in kitchen, so with the help of AI it can distinguish between objects. As you can see in this example, in the pile of this utensils, you can easily grab onto that plate without any issue. Honestly, looking at all the work this robot is doing, this is so incredible. And yeah, I mean, for someone like me, I'm really lazy at managing stuff. I would love to have something like this in the future. Again, right now this is a research product, but definitely will be able to buy these devices in the future. Now last but not the least, LG has showed off their rollable sliding screen smartphone. So similar to the Oppo X 2021 concept phone, this phone has a rollable screen that extends and transforms a normal smartphone into a tablet. This is LG's response to Samsung's foldable lineup, and although it looks pretty good, it's definitely very far away from hitting the market. Still, this makes me incredibly excited for the future. We definitely need more competition because right now Samsung is the sole dominator when it comes to the foldable market. I would definitely love to see some competition, and yeah, future definitely does look awesome. So that's all the latest news. I'll be putting out a ton of content regarding Galaxy S21, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out anything. And yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.